The topic is trig double angle identities. So it's double angle trigonometric identities. So let's do this example. Find the exact value of sine of 2x and cosine of 2x if cosine of x is equal to negative 4 over 5 and the angle x is between pi over 2 and pi. This is pi over 2. This is pi, and the angle is right between. Right? The angle is between pi over 2 and pi. And the cosine is equal, so this is my angle x. And the cosine of this x is negative 4 over 5. What does it mean, negative 4 over 5? I mean, this is negative 4, and this is 5. Right? Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for sine of 2x. So let's start. I'm looking for sine of 2x. Let me write it down here. Sine of 2x, I'll start writing the definition first. Definition is right there. Sine of 2x is equal to sine x cosine x. Do I have sine x? Yes. No. Do I have cosine x? Yes, it's given. So it's 2 times something we don't know, and then cosine x is given. So in other words, I need to find sine x, but I do have cosine x. So I need to find sine of this angle x. So all I need is to find my b. What is a b? Using Pythagorean theorem, a squared, negative 4 squared, plus b squared is equal to 5 squared. This is 5. This means that 16 plus b squared is equal to 25. B squared is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9. So b is minus plus 3. But since b is here, it's going to be positive. So b is equal to 3. So now I know this number is 3. And I'm looking for sine of this angle x. So sine is equal b over radius. Let me write it here. Sine of x is equal to b over r, which is b, we just found it, it's 3, and the radius is 5. So I'm gonna go back here, write my 3 over 5. So sine of 2x is equal, this is multiplication, 2 times 3 is 6, times negative 4 is negative 24, 5 times 5 is 25. This is sine of 2x. Now I also need to find cosine of 2x. Cosine of 2x, I have like 3 options. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Well, let's try 2 options, even though all you need to do is 1 option. But the easiest one I usually find is number 4. Let's use number 4 first, and then we can use another one. So number 4 says it's 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. In other words, 2 cosine of x, we said, it's given right here, negative 4 over 5. But we want that square minus 1, which is equal to 2 times negative 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, minus 1. 2 times 16 is 32 over 25, minus 1. Same common denominator, 32 over 25 minus 25 over 25, and this is equal to 7 over 25. Right? Let's do, this is it, the problem is done, but let's just check if we use a different formula, would it work? Let's use number 2, for example. Number 2 says, if we get the same, we're supposed to get the same number. Cosine of 2x is equal cosine square minus sine square. Now we know the cosine is negative 4 over 5, but we need to square that. And we know the sine, we just found the sine to be 3 over 5. And we need to square that. So if you square negative 4 squared is 16, 5 squared 25, 3 squared is 9, 25, and C, 16 minus 9 is 7 over 25, and see we got the same results. And that's it for this example.